Hi beautiful people, welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how I bake this amazing and delicious almond cake. Before we get started, if today is your first day or first time of stopping by, a warm welcome to you. Please don't forget to follow this page, like, share and comment for you to be the first person to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. And to my returning subscribers, a very big thank you and remain blessed. Let's get started. In a clean and dry bowl, I added in my soft butter and start to cream it using my electric mixer. Keep mixing until I achieve this consistency. Now went ahead and add in my sugar. And continue mixing them together. Now add in some cracked egg and continue mixing until they are well combined. Add some vanilla extract and orange juice extracted from one orange and mix to combine. Now it is time to add in all the dry ingredients. I started by adding in the almond powder. So next I added in some flour, cinnamon powder, baking powder, salt. Here I have some vanilla sugar and this is how the packet looks like in case you don't know how it looks, okay? Now go ahead and mix until everything is well combined or mixed. And here I'm done with the mixing. Next, prepare the cake pan by greasing the inside of the pan with some oil or butter and then dust with flour. This helps to prevent the cake from sticking to the pan. And here we are done with the cake pan. So next, pour the cake batter into the prepared cake pan and smooth the top with a spatula. Baking time! Yay! It is time to bake the cake. Now transfer the cake to the preheated oven for at least 50 to 1 hour and always keep an eye on it. Exactly 1 hour now. Let's check on the oven. Yay! Dip a skewer into the middle of the cake. If it comes out clean, the cake is done. And take it out from the pan and let it cool down completely. Once it has cooled down, spray some icing sugar on it, but this is optional. If you feel like decorating, this is the time you need to start your decoration. But for this recipe, we are not decorating. Now I went ahead and cut the cake. It looks so nice, delicious, soft and tasted so super good. So I will be dropping the list of the ingredients in the comment section or in the description box below. So thank you guys for watching and see you on my next video. Remain blessed. Bye.